Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to create that monthly IV based data sheet. We are going to generate here in this video. And already those who are my student, they will be getting that particular web app link for monthly IV data. So why this monthly IV data? It is helpful for our strategy like non-directional stock picking and based on our positional strategy concept. So monthly once we are then generating this monthly IV sheet on monthly basis and before starting off every month. So for an August contract, that is tomorrow 3rd August, it is going to be start. So before we are going to track or we are going to develop this sheet and to track for a non-directional opportunity. That means if there is an opportunity like IV, IVP, IVR based, we are trying to create. Previously, we are updating this in a Google Sheet, that is monthly IV data. So, but currently we stopping all the things to provide. Now we are giving you last November itself. We stopped that providing you that monthly IV data. And prior to that, we are providing or we are giving you this data from 2020. That is what a non-directional pick, so which we can easily identify a non-directional stocks. But currently we provide all on one-time setup. Okay, so anyone who are really interested, because even we are going to stop this kind of stock related, and the scanners and screeners also we are going to stop soon. So anyone who really interested to get this kind of tools at a lifetime price, so you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. So we are currently as a registered for mutual fund and PMS portfolio management service and SIF. So that is what we are registered with AMFI and APMI. So as a registered person, so we are doing it. These are all the things as our knowledge. We are created scanners and screeners as per our requirement. So we are running that positional strategy from 2017. That is working in all market conditions. Still the same strategy which we are using, and we are winding out now for this kind of stock related things. But we are doing a mutual fund PMS and kind of SIF. For any required also, you can just ping me. And meanwhile, if anyone were really interested to get our scores and scanners and screeners all together one-time setup cost, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so to develop a monthly IV sheet, so we need a bow copy from NSE and also the price and day-wise summary from the iChart. So iChart is not a free one; it's a paid one. Previously, we using that option Obstra, but that is not that is also not a free one. But every day we have to track this on the particular day only. But here we can get the backdated data or previous data from that. So first I should download a bow copy from NSE. That will be helping to find out creating. So how do we download that from NSE bow copy? From NSE market data daily reports. That is what data feed where you can. So here derivatives and then go down. You can select the date 31st July is the last trading on this July contract or July month. Okay, so FO UDIF common bow copy, we have to download that. So once I downloaded and I was storing that into my, I have keep my separate folder here bow copy files. Okay, I just uploaded that bow copy files right now. So the second data which I required for getting that monthly IV sheet. So in option iChart, where I can go with the futures, their day wise price and OIS summary. So it is only working on a paid version. So here price and OI detail. Not this, sorry, day wise price and OI summary. So where you can take this all the list of stocks and where you can see IV change, OI, PCR, and all the data would be mentioned here, where you can see whatever the required details that would be mentioned, IVR, IVP, IV ranking. So nothing else, simply you have to download this as an Excel file. Okay, I'm just storing that Excel file on my desktop. Okay, I stored it. Now, what are the two files which is required to run the scanner or create a new monthly IV data? We will be getting it. So now we have already created the web application. So previously we are updating that on a Google Sheet, but right now we built a web application that is automatically generate the sheet. First, you have to upload the bulk copy zip file. So where I already downloaded, that I can directly upload. The exact date is 31st 06 2020, sorry, 31st 7 2026. That file I have uploaded here, and there I have already downloaded the file which I have stored in the desktop, day wise price summary. So that is 31st August series, sorry, July date, and I was just uploading it. So you can confirm it. This is the near August series data. Okay, if you want to previous historical, you can download whatever you want. Okay, so both the files I have just uploaded here, and now I just stock future select, and not all expiries. I need a 25th August expiry. I need Excel sheet only, so not a CSV file. So after selecting this, start processing. So it will be automatically provide you the monthly AV data sheet. So I'm just storing it on my desktop. So I just open this, and this is what our monthly IV file where it is downloaded by using that particular thing. So the same as what we are using on our Google Sheet, the same data where it is be available here. So I should change that sorting option or filter. So now all the data we got it. So now you can sort by IV. So largest one. So we have a kinds Kalyan Jeweler. These are the high volatile as per the IV, and as per the IVP. So we can see ABB, Kalyan Jeweler, and Divi's Lab, Keynes, ITC. These are all the IVP based and based on the IVR. So Cummins India, GB, TND, and Crompton, Marico, Kalyan Jewellers. So these are all the list which is having IVR based. So now you will be getting the lower, higher and lower ranges, and what should be the monthly strike prices and put price and call price, and what should be the profit percentage. So every data we will be getting in a single sheet. So all F&O almost how many stocks in futures? 207 stocks we got it. The data is processed, and this how to use this monthly IV and how we can go with that. That everything we are discussing on our strategies. We will be finding a non-directional basis. That is why this monthly IV data, which is useful for positional strategy. This is not for intraday or kind of thing. It's a purely a positional strategy which helping you to find out positional trade opportunities based on the strategy. So now we developed for the month of August. This is what data which we can use it for the month of August. So hope you understood. You can know how to filter. So like highest IV and highest IVP, and then you can look at the IVR also key. And once you use this, and you can able to find one or two opportunity for the month of August. That is what a non-directional strategy for a monthly IV sheet. It's for a non-directional, which you can make use of it for this month of August. I hope you understood this logic, and really this is in web app. So currently I'm running in local. So those who are really required this also, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. We will provide you along with the course. So you can get a bundle. So you can get all the scanners and screeners tools, and you can use it for your trading. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.